Do you ever feel like the more social you are, the more often you get sick? Well, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and if you live a super social life like my husband and I do, then you already know being around people all the time usually means catching every cold that's going around. And that's why we love this black elderberry syrup from Sambucol. It's a smooth, syrupy elderberry liquid, and I find that it doesn't taste too much like medicine, which makes such a big difference, especially when you're not feeling your best. I also noticed that it helps us recover faster when cold and flu symptoms hit, which is a huge bonus when you don't want to slow down or cancel any plans. And you can even take it as an immune booster when you feel like you need a little extra support, especially during cold and flu season. It helps relieve cough, congestion, fever, aches, and pains, and it's for ages 2 and up. The best part is that this Sambucol now comes in a 2-pack with two 230 milliliter bottles, replacing the 500 milliliter bottle, but still keeping the same formula. It's so convenient because one bottle can stay at home while we bring the other one with us for weekends away or at work. It just fits our lifestyle way better. So for two people who are always around others and always seem to catch every single cold, well, this has become a must-have in our household. And that's my point of view.